Hello my friends, it's Angie World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you cucumber and lemon alone will get you rid of blackness, 20 years of blackness in the skin, and get rid of all skin related problems with this magical remedy. If you do have sensitive skin, then I don't recommend you try this remedy, but if you do have acne prone skin or oily skin, this magical remedy for you. If you do have dark spots, black spots, pigmentation, this magical remedy is for you. It will remove the suntan and the dark spots and the black spots naturally and will whiten your skin tone without any side effects, with all natural ingredients. This magical remedy works 100%, my friends. But before we start out, it's a request: if it's the first time you see my video and the first time you see my channel, then quickly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way every time I upload new video you will be notified to watch it, and also like that video. Let's start with the remedy. The first thing, we need one medium-sized cucumber, and we need to grate it like so, or shred it. After we grate the cucumber, we need to strain it to get the fresh cucumber juice in a clean mixing bowl. Get a strainer or a set, like so, my friends. And strain the cucumber. Cucumber is one of the things that whitening the skin tone naturally and remove dark circles, any kind of skin blemishes, any kind of related problems in your skin. Cucumber can cure it without any kind of going to clinics or any kind of spending lots of money on your skin. Cucumber will remove it very easily and get you an amazing results at home without costing you anything. It's amazingly effective. All you need to do is prepare it and use it, and you'll be amazed with the result, my friends. As you can tell, now I'm straining the juice. And we get that much of juice, of cucumber juice, from just one medium-sized cucumber. Then we need to add on it 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. And aloe vera gel is skin whitening and soothing and cooling. This, if you do have a kind of suntan, this will remove it for you. It's super effective and super helpful. Then, my friends, we need 1 lemon. Cut it in half and add just 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. We need just 1 teaspoon. We don't need that much. Now we need to mix well all the ingredients until they combine and get very well mixed together. After mixing well and combining all the ingredients together like so, our magical remedy is ready. Apply it on your skin, apply it all over your skin, on your hands, on feet, on face, on any place that you do have any kind of dark spots, pigmentation, and it will whitening your skin naturally. From first use you will notice a great result, but use it every day to be amazed with the result, my friends. It is super works for sensitive skin, works for any skin type. But if you do have sensitive skin, skip the lemon and use the remedy. It will get you an amazing results, my friends. I hope that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget, subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies. Leave a nice comment and give that video a big like, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.